Tanggal 29 Mac 2000, lahirlah seorang bintang di Hospital Universiti Malaya, Kuala Lumpur. Bintang tersebut merupakan puteri pertama kepada pasangan Dr. Khairul Muhsin bin Abdullah dan Puan Fashuda binti Abdul Aziz. Dr. Khairul Muhsin pada ketika itu bekerja di Pahang Specialist Hospital sebagai pakar bedah saraf, manakala Puan Fashuda merupakan pensyarah di Institut Pendidikan Guru Bahasa-Bahasa Antarabangsa di Kuala Lumpur. Memulakan zaman persekolahannya di Tadika Al-Firdaus Educators seawal usia 3 tahun. Beliau berhijrah ke Australia bersama keluarga pada tahun 2005 hingga 2006 dan bersekolah di Prince Hill Primary School. Meneruskan persekolahan di peringkat rendah di Sekolah Kebangsaan Perempuan Metodis Kuantan dari tahun 2009 hingga 2012. Walaupun beliau aktif di dalam Persatuan Bahasa Inggeris dan Pengakap dan pernah mewakili negeri Pahang dalam cabaran Doktor Kecil Lifebuoy peringkat kebangsaan, beliau berjaya memperolehi 3A 2B dalam ujian pencapaian sekolah rendah. Setelah tamat zaman persekolahan rendah, beliau membawa bersama obor kecemerlangannya ke SMK Tengku Afzan. Seawal tingkatan 1, beliau menunjukkan potensi dalam bidang co-curriculum dengan menyertai pertandingan bahas bahasa Inggeris ala Parlimen Sekolah Menengah Daerah Kuantan. Pertandingan yang sama turut beliau sertai pada tahun 2014. Beliau juga mewakili sekolah dalam pertandingan drama bahasa Inggeris Sekolah Menengah peringkat daerah Kuantan pada tahun yang sama. Beliau sangat aktif di dalam unit uniform Karate Do dan menyandang jawatan sebagai naib pengerusi. Pencapaian tertinggi beliau adalah apabila dianugerahkan Brown Belt Double dalam Karate Do. Beliau juga turut mendapat tempat ketiga dalam pemilihan tokoh nilam daerah Kuantan pada tahun 2016 dalam kategori Bahasa Inggeris Sekolah Menengah. Di keaktifan beliau di dalam bidang co-curriculum, beliau telah dianugerahkan Lencana Separuh pada tahun 2016. Dalam pentaksiran tingkatan 3, beliau memperolehi keputusan 7A 3B. Kemuncak prestasi akademiknya di SMK Tengku Afzan, beliau merupakan pelajar cemerlang di mana beliau memperolehi 11A dalam semua mata pelajaran Sijil Pelajaran Malaysia 2017. Sifat kepimpinan beliau dikesan seawal beliau di tingkatan 2 apabila dilantik sebagai pengawas sekolah. Pada tahun 2015 dan 2016, beliau merupakan penolong setiausaha Badan Pengawas Sekolah. Beliau menjawat jawatan Ketua Pengawas pada tahun 2017 berdasarkan tanggungjawab, dedikasi dan ketokohan beliau. Pada tahun 2018, beliau terpilih untuk menyertai program pertukaran pelajar di bawah anjuran Antara Budaya Malaysia AFS ke Itali. Beliau yang dimaksudkan tidak lain dan tidak bukan Farhana Miza binti Khairul Muhsin, tokoh Sri Afzan 2017. Tahniah dan syabas.
All the people in my school, I would like to apologize. I would just really like to apologize. Sorry, I cannot be there to accept this award. I wish I was there with all of you, but alas, my mother is there on behalf of me, or is behind. I found out that I got straight A's through a congratulation texts. I'm very thankful and grateful for the teachers, for my family, especially my mom, and all my friends and classmates. I'm very thankful for the help that you have given me and the constant support that everyone has supported me, and all of you for having the mindset that I could actually do it when even I didn't believe in myself, and for never giving up on me, always having hope. First of all the teachers of SMK Tengku Afzan, you guys helped me through everything. And especially Puan Suryana for one of the subjects, for two of the subjects, English and English for Science and Technology. And Puan Baizura and Puan Lee Chumoy for additional mathematics because I was dying in that subject. Puan Cik Fadila for biology, even though that's That is a subject that I hate the most, but I still got an A minus. So thank God, thank Allah, Alhamdulillah, and thank you. Puan Hanor for physics, because you made that class fun. Puan Yong, because we're the youngsters. And Puan Gan, kerana selalu membebel untuk sentiasa berusaha. And of course, I can't list everyone. I'm sorry. I wish I could. And the most important person who helped me is my mother. My light, my heart, my anchor, the person who has been most patient with me for 18 years of my life. I love and care about you so much. Ti voglio bene, amore mio. Tell you about the small studying strategies that I had. First of all, I studied like crazy. I woke up at 4 in the morning to study, but for you have to find the best time it is for you to study. Coming up to the SPM, you have to increase the numbers that you studied to put more effort in. Focus more on the subjects that you're weak in. For example, me, I'm very weak in bio and mathematics, additional mathematics, so I studied more on that. Make notes for biology, that's important. That helped me a lot, especially notes with graphics. And most importantly, never, ever, ever give up. It's important. If you're giving up, you won't get there. The tears, the hard work, the sweat, it will all pay off. And last but not least, my hope for Afzan. I hope that the school will continue being the best school among in Kuantan, among normal schools. Actually, you can go up, you can go better, you can go higher. I just hope that every other student gets the experience that I did, the experience that the school was considered my second home for 5 years. And semoga Afzan sentiasa boleh berjaya. Yeah!